Halligan's case against Trump's #1 political target didn't just go off the rails, it went into the ravine and exploded in the flames of incompetence. So, let's break down Lindsay Halligan's no good, bigly bad week. Magistrate Fitzpatrick, a former federal prosecutor, found all of this deeply troubling. During a hearing on this issue, he called out Halligan's team for having a quote, indict first, investigate later approach. That's never a phrase you want directed at you by a federal judge. Fitzpatrick then took the extraordinary step of ordering the grand jury transcripts turned over to the defense. Under Rule 6E, that only happens when there are concrete reasons to suspect irregularities serious enough to tank an indictment. In the opinion, which was issued on November 17th, he sets out a litany of concerns about what happened in front of the Comey grand jury. Those factual findings lead him to conclude that the government's actions, quote, raise genuine issues of misconduct that are inextricably linked to the government's grand jury presentation and deserve to be fully explored by the defense. That was a lot. A real potpourri of prosecutorial misconduct. After detailing a, quote, disturbing pattern of profound investigative missteps, Judge Fitzpatrick ordered the government to turn over the grand jury transcripts so the defense could seek dismissal or suppression. Halligan immediately moved to block that order, and Judge Nachmanoff granted a temporary stay, leaving the issue unresolved for now. But Fitzpatrick also wrote in his order that if a second presentment to a grand jury did not take place after Team Halligan repackaged the indictment documents, then the court is in, quote, uncharted legal territory in that the indictment returned in open court was not the same charging document presented to and deliberated upon by the grand jury. And all of that set the stage for our fateful day in Judge Nachmanoff's court, where we learned that the grand jury never even saw the final indictment documents.